temporary. Giving up, well, that's permanent. Giving up on your potential, what you can be because you're scared of the outcome, that's permanent. Giving up on the challenge of going for what's safe and comfortable, that's permanent. The belief, once turn your back on, you turn your back on your belief of what you can be. If you do that, say hello to the debate inside your head for the rest of your life. It never stops talking to you.
You just have to write down your dream and then write down a list of how do you accomplish that? What do I need to do? What do I need to learn to be able to accomplish those goals? And that's what I do. I don't just sit there and worry about it. I just start doing it. And don't be so worried if you're afraid. It's like, okay, I feel it. It's like, that's fine. Just keep working through it. Really, the fear you feel is...
We tend to think that we are not capable of being on time, we're not mechanically inclined, and so on and so forth. But exhaustive research spread throughout the population that most of the limitations we have do not exist in reality. They exist only in your own mind. And one of the starting points of great achievement is to start questioning those self-limiting beliefs and throw them off and act as if they did not exist.
It's the only way to learn. You have to fail. Failure is a part of the process to become... 946 times since he was in high school, the ball...
That if you just do the thing that they tell you, you can't then.
You know, maybe I'm just not meant to be in college.
Maybe you're someone who gives up too easily.
It's these moments, these decisions we make on a daily basis. Do we get up early and go for a run? Do we hit the snooze button? Do we go that extra rec in the gym? And our body, a difference between first place and forever forgotten. Second place. Huge margins. But if you look about your day and all these little moments of life, all these little opportunities are in your wheelhouse. You create them. And later in life, when you're crying, those inches you need to be number one then, which is now in the past, are around us every single day.
It's easier at the beginning. Beginnings are often easier. Who does things the easy way? But that should not stop you from doing things the right way. It is your journey, young warrior. Only you decide when it ends.
Find a home.
You know, and important. And you bring to this world things that no one else can.
Are obvious. They don't need a plan, perfect timing, or anyone's approval. Or you don't have to overthink it, it finds you. So lean into that thing, because that's where the magic is.
Life isn't to where you want to be. It's a storm, a constant push and pull between what feels like the storm is winning. You fight, you give everything you have, and feel like the universe is laughing in your face. It's hard not to wonder sometimes, what's the point? It doesn't care how much you've already endured. It will keep, it's not meant to be easy, because it's not the bus. It's not the smooth paths that teach us who we are. It's the struggle, the fight, but you find a way to take one more step anyway. Think about the hard to your limits, and in doing so, they showed you what you're capable of. It feels like the darkness will never lift, but it does. It's life's way of teaching us resilience, of showing us that we're capable of more than we ever imagined. You don't have to move fast. You just have to move. Every heartbreak, every disappointment, every failure, you've gotten through it all. That means you still have a chance to fight, a chance to grow, a chance to build something out of the rubble. The pain you're feeling right now, you gain from pushing through it, that's permanent. That's yours forever. Who finds a way to rise, no matter how many times you fall. And I get it. Sometimes it feels like to carry. Sometimes you feel like you don't have the strength to keep going. But let me tell you something. You don't have to carry it all at once, moving step by step, day by day, until the weight starts to feel lighter. Because here's the truth. The storm doesn't last, clouds clear, when the ashes settle, when the light starts to break through, you'll see what all of this was for. You'll see that the struggle wasn't meaningless, wasn't wasted, that it all shaped you, someone wiser, someone who is capable of facing right now. If you're feeling broken, if you're wondering how you're going to keep...
always envied the mortals because their life was so ephemeral. They had so much chance that could happen to them, right? Where the gods always knew that they were alternative, which is that you are on the path and you are guaranteed to know that you're going to get the outcome. It'd be worth doing to begin with. The fact that you are uncertain when you start is what makes it worth every day.
What from just a good story?
Easy. In a good story, bad things happen to good people. Because there's always conflict and there's always suffering. Be just like, oh, that was awful. Are the ones where the person who would be a victim.
I see you. I see all of the hard work that you put in, all of the struggle that you endure, all of the things that go on behind, and I'm proud of you. And not only am I proud of you, but you inspire me.
Are you right where you're supposed to be? I will never encourage you to be okay with staying right where you are, lowering your expectations. Self-love is found in recognizing what you're capable of.
Start with action. It needs to be, okay, what would have had to have happened?
Decision, whether you want to be a badass or whether you just want to be mediocre and everything's okay. It's gone, it's quiet. It is you against you gone. And what promise you made about getting up early and getting after harder, guess what? It's a lot harder now. So a lot of us can't do things on their own. So find somebody in your life. So when you throw that towel in, they feel that
moment of courage from turning it all around. But here's the truth about deciding that this moment, this one right here, the best version of you is waiting. Don't leave them hanging. Take it.
Number one reason for success is people focus on things that have...
Time and distractions will always lose to a man with a deadline, singular focus. And so it's never been easier to be successful than it is today. It's just also never been easier.
They merely reveal him to himself. The response to the adversity of life is the...
You just float around, then you eventually crash.
Most people walk around with no goals.
That would just make you absolutely happy, would give you a sense of fulfillment and peace of...
In advance. Decide now that your will to win cannot be bought by any failure or any success.
Make 2025...
It doesn't feel like hope. It feels like another mountain to climb, another year of dragging the weight of everything you've been through. Maybe 2024 wasn't kind to